expected. Richie Tixon, surprise starter for the Shell team. Backdoor cut. 2 points. Rebound, so it went back to Johnny Avarientos. Chambers is going to try to attack on the inside, and he has also
Kicks it outside to Richie. Whips it back to Benji. Now
Three-point
to
shot.
Redfield. Triple!
yan yata unong puntos ni Kenny Redfield in this.
Tama yung sabi mo, he had the look eh.
Yeah, it's a completely different look. I was watching on TV the whole game.
ako rin eh.
Let's see it. No? 4 seconds of
24.
the quarter, so automatic technical foul. No?
Pasensya na kayo, nasasabi kong 25 kasi dati 25 tayo eh. Samantala, there's an inside stab.
You've got to take better shots, get yourself in good position, use your muscle a little bit there. So Redfield is getting aggressive.
Rejected by both Dr. J.
And he's going to drive hard. He can drive hard if he wants to, you
Yes.
know, but he's always been delaying his dribble so that,
May bibigay ang hilig ng tao, no?
of course, and he was too smart a coach to allow that.
Oh, yes! Sorry, nothing. He's fighting for it.
The same thing, may layup na si Johnny, pumabakpas pa rin, no?
Redfield zigzagging through the traffic.